Welcome to the amazing world of watch manufacturing. Today, we are inside a modern watch factory where thousands of watches are made every day. A watch may look small and simple, but inside it has many tiny parts working together perfectly. Making a watch needs precision, patience, and advanced machines. Skilled workers and robots work together to create accurate and beautiful watches. Let us start the journey from raw materials to the final finished watch. In this section, we see raw materials arriving at the factory. Steel, brass, plastic, glass, rubber, and tiny electronic parts are delivered in large boxes. Every material is carefully checked for quality. Only high-quality materials are used because even a small defect can stop a watch from working. After inspection, materials are sent to different departments. Before manufacturing starts, engineers design the watch on computers. They create 3D models of every small part. The design includes the case, dial, hands, gears, and straps. These designs are tested digitally to make sure all parts will fit perfectly. After approval, the design is sent for production. The watch case is the outer body of the watch. Steel blocks are cut into small pieces using CNC machines. These machines shape the metal into the round case. The case is then polished to make it shiny and smooth. Holes are made for buttons and the crown. The transparent glass on the watch is called the crystal. Special strong glass is cut into small circles. This glass is scratch resistant. Machines polish the glass to make it crystal clear. After polishing, it is cleaned and stored safely. The dial is the face of the watch. Large sheets of dial plates are printed with numbers and brand logos. Tiny markers and designs are added with high-precision printing machines. After printing, the dials are dried and checked for clarity. This is the most delicate part. Very small brass gears are made using micro machines. These gears control the movement of the watch. Each gear is smaller than a fingernail. They are checked under microscopes for perfection. The spring is the heart of a mechanical watch. Thin metal wires are coiled into tiny springs. Other movement parts like screws and pins are also created here. All parts are stored in tiny containers. For quartz watches, a small circuit board is made. Robots place microelectronic components on the board. This circuit controls time using a battery and quartz crystal. The boards are tested before use. Now all tiny parts come together. Robotic arms and skilled workers assemble gears, springs, and circuits into one unit called the movement. This process needs extreme care and steady hands. One mistake can stop the watch. The printed dial is placed on the movement. Very thin hands for hours, minutes, and seconds are carefully fixed. Machines ensure perfect alignment. This step gives the watch its face. The complete movement is placed inside the metal case. It fits perfectly like a puzzle piece. The crown and buttons are attached. Now the crystal glass is placed on top. Machines press it tightly to make the watch waterproof. Rubber seals are added to prevent water entry. Straps are made from leather, rubber, or metal. Leather straps are cut and stitched. Metal straps are made by joining small links. All straps are polished and checked. The strap is attached to the watch case using spring bars. This step completes the basic watch structure. For quartz watches, a small battery is inserted. The watch starts ticking immediately. Watches are set to the correct time using machines. They are tested for accuracy for many hours. Watches go through water resistance test, drop test, and time accuracy tests. Only perfect watches move forward. Each watch is cleaned with soft cloth and air pressure. It shines like new. Finally, watches are packed in beautiful boxes. They are labeled and sent to stores around the world. This completes the journey of watch manufacturing. As we come to the end of this fascinating journey inside the watch manufacturing factory, we now understand how much effort, precision, and technology go into making a single watch. From raw metal and tiny components to a perfectly working timepiece, every step requires skill, patience, and accuracy. Machines and human hands work together in harmony to create something we use every day without thinking about the complex process behind it. A watch is not just a device to tell time. It is a masterpiece of engineering, design, and craftsmanship. Next time you look at your wristwatch, remember the long journey it has taken inside the factory before reaching you. Thank you for watching this detailed tour of the watch manufacturing process. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing factory tours. See you in the next video.